Hi kids, this is teacher Jenny. How are you? What day is it today? Correct, today is Monday. That means we're going to start this week with a new set of lessons. Are you ready? That's right. Okay, this week's topic is all about Yes, we're going to learn the parts of our face. Can you say it? Face. This is my face. Face. But first, let's learn the words touch and point. Okay? When we touch, we use our hand or hands. Touch. 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 Okay? When we point, we use our finger. Point. 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 Okay?
For sure you already know the common parts of the face, like eyes, nose, ears, mouth. Now let's learn more parts of the face. Let us start with hair.
Touch your hair. Touch your hair. Touch.
Forehead. Next, eyebrow.
Point your eyebrow. Point your eyebrow.
Teeth. Next we have cheek. Next, tongue.
Point your tongue. Point your tongue. Point.
We also have chin.
Touch your chin. Touch your chin. Good.
Again, today's words are hair, forehead, eyebrow, teeth, cheek, tongue, chin.
Alright, so that was the parts of our face. Did you learn something? I hope so. I'll be back tomorrow with another lesson about our body. Okay, so for now, bye-bye. Happy Tuesday, my dear students. This is teacher Jenny. Are you feeling good for today's lesson? Yes, okay. So yesterday we talked about the parts of our face. Good. Today we are going to learn more about it.
Yesterday we learned about hair, forehead, eyebrow, teeth, cheek, tongue, chin. Let's answer the question. How many nose do you have?
I have one nose. I have one nose.
How many tongues do you have?
I have one tongue. I have one tongue.
How many ears do you have?
I have 2 ears. I have 2 ears.
How many eyebrows do you have?
I have 2 eyebrows. I have 2 eyebrows.
Now it's your turn. How many chin do you have? I have. How many cheek do you have? How many eyes do you have?
That's it for today, kids. I hope you had fun. What day is it tomorrow? Tomorrow is Wednesday. Good. So I'll be back tomorrow for a new lesson. Okay? Have fun today and bye-bye. It's a lovely Wednesday, my dear students. This is Teacher Jenny. How are you? Alright, so let's continue our topic on face. But this time we are going to learn about feelings. Can you say it? Feelings. What are feelings?
Feelings. Here are some feelings. Happy, sad, sad, angry, angry, surprised, surprised, sleepy, sleepy, scared, scared, wonderful, wonderful.
Now let's answer the question, how do you feel? I feel happy. I feel happy. I feel sad. I feel sad. I feel angry. I feel surprised. I feel sleepy. I feel wonderful.
Can you say the words? Happy, happy, sad, sad, angry, angry, sleepy, sleepy, scared, 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 surprised, surprised, wonderful, wonderful.
So we learned about feelings. Now you can express how you feel. Okay? Alright, so tomorrow we will have a new lesson. So look forward for it. But for now, bye-bye. Hello kids, this is Teacher Jenny. How are you? What day is it today? Alright, today is Thursday. So we will have math. Alright?
Before and after of a number.
Today we are going to learn the words before, after. Before, after.
These are numbers 1 to 10. Let's learn about before. Can you say it with me? Before. When we say before, you have to count backwards from a number. Before. Before. Let's try. This is number 3. What is before 3? Correct. Number 2. This is number 6. What is before 6? 5. Very good. This is number 9. What number is before 9? 8. Good job. Now let's learn about the word after. Can you say it with me? After. When we say after, you have to count forward, or what number is next to the given number. Can you say it? After. Now let's try. This is number 3. What number is after 3? 4. This is number 6. What number is after 6? 7. And this is number 10. What number is after 10? 11. Good job. Let's try.
What number is before 28? What number is after 23? What number is before 35? What number is after 50?
This is your homework today.
Alright, so that ends our topic for today. I hope you had fun. I will see you tomorrow, okay? So, bye-bye for now. It's a lovely Friday, my dear students. How are you? What is the weather today? Tell me. Okay, alright. So, since it's Friday, we all know that it's Phonics Day. Yay! Alright, let's learn new words and read those words today.
Let's learn a new word family today. What letter is this? Letter I. The sound of I is I. What letter is this? G. The sound of G is G. I, G. Ig. Ig. Let's put another letter at the beginning. This is letter B. The sound of B is B. Big. Big. Let's put the letter P. The sound of P is P. P. So, pig. Pig. Another letter is D. The sound of D is D. Dig. 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 Next is F. The sound of F is F. Fig. Fig. Another letter is W. The sound of W is W, as in wig. Wig. Now let's put two letters, T and W. T, W, ig. Twig. Twig. Twig.
Let's read the words one more time.
Let's read the words again. Big. Pig. Pig. Dig. Dig. Fig. Fig. Wig. Wig. Twig. Twig. Kids, today we have a reading homework. Let's read together. My pig. My pig in his wig will dig, dig, and dig. My pig in his wig dig a hole so big.
That's it for this week. I hope you had fun learning with teacher. Okay, I'll see you next week. So for now, have a very great weekend. Bye-bye.